Hi everyone, quick one today to show you how to make a twist-free foundation chain. If you have a pattern that requires you to make a long foundation chain, which you have to join together at the end, you are likely to have problems with your chain twisting. An infinity scarf is an example of where you would need such a long chain. Now, a twisted foundation chain will give you uneven edges as well as making it really difficult to work your next row of stitches. And there's a simple way that we can avoid a twisted chain. We start with a slip knot and we're going to chain about 10. You can chain whatever number you like, but you don't want it to get too big. No, I wasn't counting, but that's about 10. Take your hook out and you can see it's easy to make sure that that's nice and flat. Take your hook and put it up into the first chain stitch that we made. Make sure that you come from the bottom up through the top of your stitch and then loop that back on your hook. So because we have both loops on our hook, it anchors our first chain and stops it from twisting. You can see that that chain is nice and flat. Now we can go ahead and chain as many ridiculous number as we like. So if you're doing a scarf, you might have to chain 200, 300, 400 depending on the length that you want your scarf to be. So we're going to pretend that this is a crazy number of chains down here. When you've chained the amount that you need, bring up this first loop and join it with a slip stitch. And you can see our chain is nice and flat the whole way around.